Give you a short video on a header installation, Hedman number 66092, paired up with the Thrush 89027 exhaust kit, Thrush turbo mufflers, and setting in to this 1970 C20 pickup. Here on the passenger side, see the Hedman headers laid right in there. Plenty of clearance between the frame and the header. Plenty of clearance around your motor mount. Spark plugs go right in nice and straight. Just using the 5/8 spark plug socket with the 3-inch extension. Overall, everything went really well with us laying these in here. Starter, I dropped the starter to put them in, and not really any problem getting the starter back up in there. Fits well. Driver's side, same thing. Lots of clearance around that motor mount. Plenty of clearance against the frame. Tightest spot would be that pin from the clutch. Goes right behind that tube, and it clears it. It's close, but it does clear it. So, very happy with all that. And then down below, we'll take a look. Here you see them coming down underneath the transmission mount, connecting up to the Thrush H pipe, using the Hedman collector tube adapter. This side was actually just short 2 inches from the Thrush pipe, so we used the neck from the collector of the Thrush kit to weld in place there. And on the passenger side over there, they made it right up. It was like it was laid out perfectly for that side over here. It's odd, but it does appear that the driver's side header is about 2 inches shorter from the rear than the passenger side. But overall, that was the only kind of creative thinking process we had to get through to get this all together. Everything else laid in there per the directions. H pipe runs back, tips up. There's your muffler up and over the trailing arm. Again, it pitches up over more, over the axle. And we'll go on back and take a look there. Here you can see, you go up over that 14 bolt axle I put in there, and go right out behind the rear tire. I think it looks pretty good from the back. Driver's side pipe, I think you need to tip it up a little bit. Kind of angles down a little lower than the other side. So we'll get that taken care of next. But here you can see they don't stick out a great deal. Just right outside the quarter panel. And so let's see if we can do a cold start. And do some down here. Not too bad. I like the sound. You can get the rumble when you're going down the road. All right. Thanks for watching.